from? What's it like? So, David, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Really? What city?
Mexico City.
Wow. What's it like there?
Well, it's a big city and very busy, but I like it a lot.
Page 3, Exercise 4, Pronunciation. Linked sounds. Listen and practice. Notice how final consonant sounds are often linked to the vowels that follow them.
Huh?
I'm a new club member. Sun Hee is over there.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, and you?
I'm great. How was your night?
Good.
Okay. You give me a sentence.
And you?
You give me a sentence. Just say
Oh.
good. Say it was good. It was good.
It was good.
Say it on your as.
Okay. It was good.
Yeah, it was
good.
good. Okay.
And about you?
It was perfect. It was perfect. Okay.
Number 4.
Number 4. We go to number 4. Did you eat this morning?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Okay. Did. Yes, yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Okay. What did you eat this morning?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti or
Spaghetti.
noodles. Noodles. Yeah, spaghetti or noodles. Okay. And did you drink juice this morning?
No, the water.
Water?
Yes.
Only water. Okay. I didn't. I drink water. Good. And how is your husband? How is your husband?
It's very well.
It's very well. Good. And how was the trip? How was the trip yesterday? How was the trip? How was the trip yesterday? How was the trip yesterday?
My trip was very well.
Okay, good. And
I was good.
you?
I was good.
No, I went. I went.
Okay, to see someone.
Okay.
Someone.
Or I visited.
I visited.
I visited a relative.
Someone.
Okay. I visited someone. Finish?
Yes.
Okay, good. Where did you go?
I was very happy
Okay.
to see him.
Okay.
To see her.
Yeah, I was very happy to see her. Good. I was very happy. Okay. Happy to see her. Good. And where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Yeah, I went to St. Mark. I went to St. Mark. I went to St. Mark. I went to St. Mark City, or I went to St. Mark. Okay, I went to St. Mark. Great. Did you go in public transportation?
No.
Okay. Private?
Private.
Private transportation.
So I said I went by private transportation.
Yeah, I went by private transportation.
Private.
Private transportation. Okay, very good. Okay, we finished. Now we go to the page where did we start?
Yes, the page 3,
Okay, where did we
number
start?
4,
Yeah,
pronunciation,
yeah.
linked sounds.
Okay, you said we start on.
We start on page 3. We start on page 3. And number 4,
Okay.
My name is Elizabeth Silva.
Okay.
linked sounds.
Okay, good. Now we go to the grammar focus. We did grammar focus.
Page
We
3,
did it.
exercise 5.
We did.
Grammar focus.
No.
We didn't. We did not.
Until I was reading.
Okay. Now I read. I read. Now I was reading. I read. Signifie monter. Monter. Okay. I
Read it.
read. Yeah.
I read it already.
I read it. Mais,
Everybody already?
huh?
I read
it.
it already.
Yeah. Okay. I read it already.
Or
Signifie
I
monter.
already read it.
Yeah, I already read it. Very good. That is the formal phrase. But the informal is I read it already. It's no problem. It's gotta be, hot. It is warm. That's why I opened the windows. It's warm. It's hot.
It's hot.
Okay, warm. When it's about 90 degree, we can say hot for 90 degree. Yeah, hot. But when it's about 40, 50, we can say warm.
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 Okay? 40, 50, 60, 70. But when it's about
Cool.
cool it's when it's about can I say
25.
25 or 20, all right? Say school. But when it's about 10 degree, wow, it's cold. It's cold.
Cold.
Yeah,
It's cold.
yeah, it's cold. Ice is making. Okay, it's cold and very cold. Okay, it's cold. Sorry. Okay, we go to part A. Okay, we go to part A. Complete.
Complete the sentences.
Then
tell a partner about yourself.
good.
My name is Saga John Baptiste.
Yeah. Now you use your own information, right? You use your own information. Yeah.
I'm from Haiti.
Okay.
My family is in Ghana. My brother is a university student.
Okay.
Her name is Pedro.
Okay.
My
My name is.
My name is Celia Jomates. I'm from Buenos Aires.
You're not from Buenos Aires. You're
I'm
from.
from
Let's there. Province. Province.
It's a really nice city.
Yeah.
My sister is a student here.
Okay.
Here too.
Okay.
My
E a
mom-
Petit Chapéu Rouge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
Your sister is a student at Petit Chapéu Rouge.
Yes.
Yes.
My parents are in Dubai right now.
Okay, good. Great. Now you are going to. I am here.
I am Catherine.
You're not Catherine. You're not Catherine. Yeah, I'm Celia Jean Baptiste.
No, I'm Celia.
Yeah, I'm
But
Celia.
everyone calls me Celia. My last name is Jean Baptiste.
Okay.
I am a good student at PATAJE.
Good.
My parents are on vacation this week. They are in
The city in
in
80.
National
Des Salines. But don't say Marchand des Salines anymore. We say Des Salines.
Oh,
Okay.
Des Salines.
Des Salines, yeah.
But not
Not Marchand. Because Marchand is, old name when we were in slavery. When we were in slavery, esclavage. Quand nous étions dans l'esclavage, c'est dans l'esclavage marchand des Salines. C'est ce qu'on dit. Donc, we say Des Salines nowadays. Des Salines. I'm from Des Salines. Je viens de Des Salines. Pas marchand des Salines. I'm from Des Salines. Yeah. Now you are going to read, okay? To read the text, okay?
What text?
The same text, part A.
Okay, completed.
Yeah, completed. But don't use your own information. Use the information that you see. Don't use your own information.
Okay.
Yeah, use the information in the book.
My name is Mariko Kimura. I'm from Japan.
Japan.
My family is in Osaka. My brother is a university student. Her name is Angie. My name is Antonio. I'm from Buenos Aires.
Buenos Aires.
I'm a really nice. No,
It's
a really nice city. My sister is a student here too.
okay. Our parents, good. Our parents.
Our parents are in Argentina right now.
Okay.
My name is Catherine, but everyone calls me Cathy. My last name is Martin.
Okay.
I'm a student at City College.
Okay.
My parents are on vacation this week.
Okay.
They're in Los Angeles.
Good. College.
College.
Yeah, college. The city college.
City College.
Good. Catherine.
Catherine.
Like, look at mama.
Catherine.
Catherine. Yeah, Catherine. Yeah, I'm Catherine.
I'm Catherine.
Yeah.
But everyone calls me
Cathy. Good.
My last name
is Martin. Yeah, Martin.
I'm a student at City College.
Yeah.
My parents are on vacation this week.
Good.
They are in Los Angeles.
Very good. Now do you understand all the words?
What did you say?
Do you understand all the words?
All the words, yes.
You do understand them?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's go to the next page.
Statements with V, possessive adjectives.
So the next one. Oh, let's hear the sound. Okay? Let's listen to the sound in
After?
Yeah.
Before?
Yeah, in page 3, exercise 5.
5,
Okay, and after we will go to the next page. Okay.
Statements with B. I'm from Mexico. You're from Brazil. He's from Japan. She's a new club member. It's an exciting city. We're in the same class. They're my classmates. Contractions of B.
I'm equals I am. You're equals you are. He's equals he is. She's equals she is. It's equals it is. We're equals we are. They're equals they are.
Possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. Page
Okay. Do you understand the word equals?
Equals
Yeah.
projection?
Equals. Look at on the board.
Or
Equals.
equals, yes.
You do understand it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Exact.
yeah.
4, exercise 5. Grammar focus.
Now we go to the page 4, exercise 5. So yeah, it's English for not for beginners. Okay, WH
Which one?
question
Which
with B. Okay, WH question. All the questions that I'm in begin by WH.
H.
Yeah. What is the first one?
Where's your friend?
Yeah.
Where's your friend?
The answer
Is in class.
is in
Is
class.
in class.
Uh-huh.
Who's Sunny?
Uh-huh.
She's my classmate.
Yeah.
What's Saul like?
What's Seoul? What's Seoul like?
What's Saul like?
Seoul is the capital of South Korea.
So what's Saul like?
Uh-huh.
It's a very exciting city.
Okay.
Where are you and Lisa from?
Okay.
We are from Kwesi.
Mhm.
How are you?
We are from what?
We're from Kwesi.
No, Brazil.
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 Zil.
Brazil.
Yeah. We're from Brazil.
How are your classes?
Uh-huh.
They are pretty interesting.
Yeah. Do
What?
you? Mhm.
What are your classmates like?
Uh-huh.
They are really nice.
Yeah. Do you listen to the words?
Let's see.
Okay.
Yes.
Where's your friend Dudna?
She's over there.
Yeah, she's over there. Pretty good. Who is Charlotte?
Charlotte is at National at this side.
Who's Charlotte?
Oh,
Who's?
Charlotte.
Yeah.
Who? Okay.
Who's?
Charlotte is my nephew.
Matthew, good. What's Dessalines like?
Dessalines is a very exciting city.
Good. Where is your husband?
My husband is at Dessalines.
Okay. How is your English class at Petit Chaperon Rouge?
My English class is here.
Okay. How is it?
How?
How is it? How are you? How are you?
Oh,
Yeah. How is your
One.
English class?
2 days.
Okay. How?
How?
Is your English class
Class.
good
Good.
or bad? When I say how,
How
Okay.
is
how is your English class? How is your English class?
my English class
Uh-huh.
is pretty interesting.
Yeah, my English class is pretty interesting. Interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah. What is your teacher? Okay. What is your teacher like?
My teacher like
No. My teacher is.
My teacher is nice.
Good. My teacher is nice.
Nice.
Teacher.
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 Teacher. My teacher.
Ok. Wè sa fè? Wap kè lèg nan, ou gale nan son kè la, wè lèg lan kon sa, konsidere ti blot la de pose lèg nan. E pou gale lèg lan kon sa, pou bay son kè. Teacher.
My teacher is nice.
Is nice. Good. Complete these first. Okay, now let's listen to the audio. Let's listen to the audio. Okay? Listen to the audio.
WH questions with B.
Where's your friend?
He's in class.
Whose son he?
She's my classmate.
What's Seoul like?
It's a very exciting city.
Where are you and Louisa from?
We're from Brazil.
How are your classes?
They're pretty interesting.
What are your classmates like?
They're really nice.
Okay, good. Now let's go to part B. You read the direction.
Yes, complete these questions, then practice with your partner.
Yeah. Complete this question, then complete with then practice with your partner. Okay? Number 1.
Who is that?
Oh, that's Miss Resh. You complete the question.
Where is she from?
Yeah, where is she from? She's from Miami. Miami. She's from Miami. Number 3 now.
What is her first name?
What is her first name?
What
Okay.
is her first name?
It's Sarah.
Where the students over there?
No, not where.
Where?
Look at the answer and you will find the
Oh,
question. Yeah.
who
Who are?
are the two students over there?
Because it's plural. Say
Plural, yes.
Is that who are? Okay. Their names are Jenny and Karen. It's a conversation that we complete.
Where are they from?
They're from Vancouver, Canada.
How
No.
how are they?
No.
How?
No. Because après des là, il faut qu'on mette en autre mot. Après des là, il faut mettre en autre mot. You should put another word after the word day. What are they like?
Well,
What are they like?
what are they like?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
What are they like?
yeah. What are they like? What are they like? 10 years old or fine?
What are they like?
Yeah, what are they like?
What are they like?
They shy but very friendly. Now let's listen to the audio.
Page 5.
Oh, let's go to page 5 with us. Okay.
Sure.
Let's take the back. Good work. What's C? Good work. Write 5 questions about your classmate. Then ask and answer. Okay. Then ask and answer the question. You write 5 questions about your classmate, okay? Ask and answer the question. You will answer the question. You will ask 5 questions and you will answer them too. Okay? Now you have do not as your classmate. Do not. Okay? I'm going to call her. So you will write 5 questions about do not. Okay? 5 WH. Yeah. 5 WH question. Okay? 5 WH question about do not as a classmate. And then you will insert this question. Do you have a notebook? You don't have a notebook? Well, okay. I'm going to ask Mr. Patrick for a notebook. You have one? Yeah, you got one. Okay, you write the 5 questions. Avec les 5 questions, ça, ma petite audio à jouer. Ma petite audio à jouer, avec les 5 questions à vous poser, dites là, dans tête. Mais ma petite audio à jouer, pour qu'attendre parce que c'est habitude. Ok? Oui.
Ma tout pose des questions, ma tout répondre.
What to répondre? 5 questions. Pratique.
Page 2, exercise 1, conversation.
Pas besoin de répondre aujourd'hui.
Listen
Et
and practice.
what plan do you do? Répondez là. 5 questions.
I'm David Garza.
About each question.
I'm a new club member.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Silva,
Et puis,
but please call me Beth.
c'était quoi
Okay. Where are you from, Beth?
How about you?
I'm from Mexico.
Oh, I love Mexico. It's really beautiful.
Oui. Oui, c'est question.
Oh, good. Sun Hee is here.
Who's Sun Hee?
She's my classmate. We're in the same math class.
Where's she from?
South Korea. Let's go and say hello. Sorry, what's your last name again? Garcia?
Actually, it's Garza.
How do you spell that?
Garza.
Page 2, exercise 2, speaking. Checking information. Part A, match the questions with the responses. Listen and check. Then practice with a partner. Give your own information. 1.
I'm sorry, what's your name again?
It's Elizabeth Silva. 2.
What do people call you?
Everyone calls me Beth. 3.
How do you spell your last name?
S-I-L-V-A. Page 3, exercise 3, conversation. What's soul like? Part A, listen and practice. Sun Hee, this is David Garza. He's a new club member from Mexico. Nice to meet you, David. I'm Sun Hee Park.
Hi. So you're from South Korea?
That's right. I'm from Seoul.
That's cool. What's Seoul like?
It's really nice. It's a very exciting city. Page 3, exercise 3, part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What city is David from? What's it like? So, David, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Really? What city?
Mexico City.
Wow. What's it like there?
Well, it's a big city and very busy, but I like it a lot.
Page 3, exercise 4, pronunciation. Linked sounds. Listen and practice. Notice how final consonant sounds are often linked to the vowels that follow them.
I'm a new club member. Sun Hee is over there. My name is Elizabeth Silva.
Page 3, exercise 5. Grammar focus. Statements with B. Possessive adjectives. Statements with B.
I'm from Mexico. You're from Brazil. He's from Japan. She's a new club member. It's an exciting city. We're in the same class.
We finish?
They're my classmates.
Missing 5.
Contractions of B.
I'm equals I am. You're equals you are. He's equals he is. She's equals she is. It's equals it is. We're equals we are. They're equals they are.
Possessive adjectives.
My, your, his, her, its, our, their.
Page 4, Exercise 5. Grammar focus. WH questions with B.
Where's your friend?
He's in class.
Who's son he?
She's my classmate.
What's Seoul like?
It's a very exciting city.
Where are you and Louisa from?
We're from Brazil.
How are your classes?
They're pretty interesting.
What are your classmates like?
They're really nice.
Page 5, Exercise 7. Conversation. How's it going? Listen and practice.
Hey David, how's it going?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Pretty good. So, are your classes interesting this semester?
Yes, they are. I really love chemistry.
Chemistry? Are you and Ben in the same class?
No, we aren't. My class is in the morning. Her class is in the afternoon.
Listen, I'm on my way to the cafeteria now. Are you free?
Sure, let's go.
Okay. Read your questions.
Where's your friend Dudla?
Uh-huh.
She is over there.
Okay.
Who's Dudla?
Okay.
Dudla is my classmate.
Okay.
Where are you and Sia from?
Okay.
We are from Ghana.
Okay.
How are your classes? They are pretty interesting.
Okay.
What are your classmates like? She's really nice.
Okay. What is your classmate like? Because it's one person. What is? Okay, well done. Well done. Well done. You did a great job. Okay. We were in exercise. Which one? The
Page
next
5, Exercise 8. Grammar focus.
The page.
Lisa from?
Page 5?
We're from Brazil.
Page 5?
The next one.
What are your classmates like?
Okay.
Exercise 7.
7.
Exercise 7.
7.
Yeah, 7 exercise. Conversation. How's it going? How's it going mean? What does it mean? How's it going?
The transportation?
No.
How's
This-
it going?
Okay. How's it going?
How's it going?
What does it mean? This phrase, this sentence.
That's it.
Huh?
Move.
No, it's mean, how are you? How are you?
Okay, this is.
And listen, how are you? How do you do?
Um,
How do you do? How do you do? The same thing. Okay? How are you? How do you do? How's it going? Okay, you could say to, for informal phrase, c'est formel. Pour informel, vous pouvez dire what's up. Okay? What's up? C'est toujours même bail, ça passe. Ça qu'a fait. What's up?
What's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up? Up. What's up? What's up? What? WHAT''SUP. What's up?
What's up?
Yeah. And when someone says to you, what's up, you answer, what's up. Let them do, what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up too?
Yeah, what's up too. Okay? What's up? What's up? What's up? Ça passe, non, forme. C'est pour salutation, mais c'est pas mal de demander comment il veut. Vraiment que le monde a dit ça passe et pour tout en forme, c'est pas mal de et pas 400 tours, c'est une salutation. Nous poser au chita, c'est salutation, mais il pas c'est pas oui, c'est pas fait allemand oui. Il y a qui me dit alors c'est pour tourner en liste, il y a qui dit bon ouais, chita, on va essayer chita. Donc c'est une salutation informelle. Là, chita. Ouais. Pas que vous manger, vous dit on manger, parce que c'est un pléonasme qui est fait. Mais c'est une sorte de salutation informelle. OK? Nous dit what's up, vous dites what's up. OK? Pour ça tout, les cas du what's up, et vous dites not much. Vous pouvez dire ça. Nous dit c'est passé et vous dites poser. Ou pas même dire comme vous dites poser. Relax, nous tranquille. Not too clear here. Okay? When I got to what's up, it would be not much. When I got to how's it going, we say not much. How's it going? Unlimited. How's it going?
How's it going?
Yeah, how's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going?
Yeah. How's it going?
How's it going?
Yeah. How's it going?
How's it going?
Yeah. Not much. How's it going? Not much.
Not much.
Yeah.
How's it going? Not much.
Not much. What's up?
What's up? What's up?
Okay. Ça passe, posez. Ok? Mais, il y a un Américain qui va pas tant pour dire what's up. Il y a un qui dit what up. What up? What up? What up? What up? Ok, même j'ai un créole là tout. Par exemple, dans le créole, si je parle de mauvais sentiment, ou en femme, ouais, ça me prend temps pour me dire. Je me dis ou en femme, mais si je ne parle pas de temps pour me dire, je vais dire comme ça. Je vais dire comme ça, mais comme je si je ne parle pas de temps pour me dire, je vais dire en femme. Femme. Ou il y a un qui dit en femme, il y a un qui dit femme. 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 C'est comme si tu avais un, mais un va sortir. Femme. Ok? C'est comme ça. Il va dire what's up, il dit what up. What up? Il y a ça qui va dire what up là tout, qui va dire what's up là tout, qui dit ça. La libre moi-même, il dit ça. Ça. C'est pour ça les mêmes hommes d'où, mon regard c'est femme. Femme. Nous là. C'est comme si nous brûlons. Voilà, nous faisons la toute là. Et c'est comme si les gens brûlent pour aller dire ça. Il presque même avec les gens qui confirment. Par exemple, nous avons un noir, il regarde. Et puis, c'est comme si il brûle là. Et ça. Voilà. C'est plus c'est slang qui est habitué, c'est très familier pour ne pas dire à niveau ghetto que vous ne parlez comme ça. Et ça dit que bon plaisir son lot, si toutefois que vous arrivez devant moi et vous dites what's up, très classique, you understand. And if it says, if that person says what's up, you understand. You say what up, you understand. What's up, you understand.
You answer not much.
Not much. Or you can say what up.
What up?
What up?
What up too?
Yeah, what up? You just say what up, don't add to. Ajouter to, you say what up. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Not passive, you know, what's up? What's up? Okay, you grade that person. It's an informal grading in USA. Okay. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going?
How's it going?
Ok, c'est même genre pour nous dire how are you? Pour formel. Mais je dis aux États-Unis de nos jours, presque on va prendre mon yo, c'est comme si on dit c'est archaïque. On va prendre mon abdi, how are you? Elle dit toujours comment ça va, ou bien how are you, comment ça va. En plus, on dit mon yo dit how's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Well, great. How's it going? Not much. How's it going? How's it going? What's that? Okay, we put for that. Let me know how's it going because I'm fine, thank you. How's it going? C'est sur le pas not much. Okay? On dit ou bien répondre how's it going? Okay? Ou bien répondre par what's up? Okay? Good. Et nous avons des vidéos ça on a dit. On l'autre là n'a posté des vidéos ça tout et ça oui qu'on utilise qui on pas utiliser encore. Okay? I got those videos on my laptop. Okay. You read the text for me.
Page 5.
You read the text for me, please.
Listen and practice.
Practice.
Practice. Soon he. Hey, David.
David.
Hey, David. How is it going? David, pretty good. So, how your class interested in this semester?
Yes, girl, I really love
Chemistry.
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 Yeah, chemistry. 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 Let me see if you saw a post that you are pressing. Chemistry. TCH. Chemistry. 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 C'est son écrit, pas écrit
Chemistry.
yeah, chemistry.
Chemistry.
C'est biology. Chemistry.
Hey, David, how's it going?
fine things.
Very good. So, how your class interesting?
Are your classes
So, how your classes interesting?
interesting?
Interesting this semester?
Yes, girl, I really love
I
chemistry.
really
I really
love
love chemistry.
it.
Chemistry? Are you and Beth in the same class?
No, we are not my class. In the morning.
Okay.
Class is in the afternoon.
Listen, I'm on my way to the cafeteria now. How you
Cafeteria.
Cafeteria now.
Cafeteria.
Cafeteria now.
Cafeteria.
Listen, I'm on my way to the cafeteria now. Are you free?
Sure.
Sure, let's go.
Okay. Let's listen to the audio.
Exercise 7, conversation. How's it going? Listen and practice.
Hey, David. How's it going?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Pretty good. So, are your classes interesting this semester?
Yes, they are. I really love chemistry.
Chemistry? Are you and Beth in the same class?
No, we aren't. My class is in the morning. Her class is in the afternoon.
Listen, I'm on my way to the cafeteria now.
Cafeteria.
Cafeteria now.
T. T.
Cafeteria now.
Yeah.
Cafeteria now.
Okay.
Cafeteria now. cafeteria now.
Okay.
How you free?
Or you?
How?
You?
How
No,
you?
but we can actually speak like,
How you free?
yeah. Are you free? Or
Listen, I'm on my way to the cafeteria now.
Uh-huh.
How you free?
No. We make the actual speak like. What's something?
How you free?
Good. Okay.
Listen, I'm on my way to the cafeteria now.
Uh-huh.
How you free?
Yeah.
Sure, let's go.
Okay. If I remember, when you say are you free, that's the good sound is are you, or this one say are you,
What's your
or
message?
oui,
Oh,
are you. Mais t'as l'autre dit ha,
that will say ah.
Voilà. C'est or, like this one, Zambia, are you,
Are you
are you free?
Are you free?
Are you free?
Are you free?
Yeah. Sure, let's go.
Are you free?
Yeah.
Sure, let's go.
Okay. And now you will, repeat again the phrases or the conversation. So, repeat
The same conversation.
the same one.
Hey David, how's it going?
Good.
Fine.
Well done, public sound. Well done, sound. Good.
Fine, thanks. How are you? Pretty good. So, are your class interesting this semester? Yes.
Are your
sir.
classes interesting this semester?
Are your class interesting this
Are your
semester?
classes interesting this
So, are your class interesting?
classes?
Oh, so are your classes interesting this semester? So, are your classes interesting this semester? Yes, they are. I really love chemistry. Chemistry? Are you in bed in the same class? No, we aren't. My class is in the morning. Her class is in the afternoon. Listen, I am on my way to the cafeteria now. How are you free? To the cafeteria now. Are you free?
Good.
Sure, let's go.
Okay. Okay, now it's your turn to repeat. Yeah, it's your turn. Yes. Oh.
Hey David,
Uh-huh.
all is going.
How's it going? How's it?
How's
How's
it?
it?
How's it
How's it going?
How's it going? Fine, thank you. Thanks.
Uh-huh.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you? Very good. So, your places
Are your classes
are your classes interesting?
interesting?
Interesting.
Interesting. And interesting. This semester.
Semester. Yes, there. I really love chemistry. Chemistry? Are you in bed?
Bed.
Bed?
Are you in bed? Bed.
Are you in the class? No, we are not. My class in the
My class is in the.
My class is in the morning. Our class in the afternoon.
Okay. Wait. One second. Beaucoup lié ensemble avec liaison. En anglais, vous avez liaison rate sound. Okay? Beaucoup lié avec liaison. My class is in the. My class is in the. Okay?
My class
Is
is
in
in
the.
the afternoon.
Her class is in the. Listen. Listen.
Listen.
Uh-huh.
Listen.
Uh-huh.
I'm on my way
Uh-huh.
to the
Cafeteria.
cafeteria.
Uh-huh.
Now,
Mhm.
are you free? So, let's go. Sure.
Sure. Let's
Sure.
go. Okay. Okay. Do you understand all the sentences? Hey David, how's it going? Salut David, comme ça? See, it's in the book. The phrase is in the book. David is in the book.
Hey, David, is fine.
Yeah. Salut David, comment ça va? C'est ça, et pas David. Tu as demandé où est David. David is in the book. That is David. That is David. Yeah, that is David. Fine, thanks. How are you? Bien, merci.
Amen.
Yeah, good.
C'est moi, David, mais c'est lui.
Huh?
C'est moi qui suis lui ou bien moi, David?
No, we just make a translation.
Translation or
Okay, do the practice with Dudna. You do the practice with Dudna. Okay, you're on here.
Hey, David, how's it going?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Very good. So, your classes and tuition this semester?
Yes, well, I'm waiting on chemistry.
Chemistry. Are you and Beth in the same class?
No, we are not. We are not my class in the morning. Class is in the afternoon.
Listen, I am on my way to the cafeteria now. Are you free?
Sure, let's go.
Okay, good. Now you can, practice using your own information. What do you think? If you practice this conversation using your own information, pratiquer et utiliser pour information. Hey, did
The
not.
same question?
Yeah, the same questions. Hey, did not. Hi, Dave.
Hey,
did not.
Vidna,
How's it
how's it going?
Fine, thanks.
Uh-huh.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Great. So, are your classes interesting this semester?
Yes, Maya.
Uh-huh.
Yes, well, I'm waiting your chemistry.
You still saw it,
Yes, c'est
mathématiques?
Et puis, j'ai dit, chez nous, c'est matière femme.
Yeah,
chemistry.
Chemistry. Are you and Xavier now in the same class? Are you and Kepler in the same class?
No,
Uh-huh. No, we.
we are not.
Uh-huh.
My class is in the morning.
Mm-hmm. My class is in the morning.
My class is
Hey, class? No,
No,
Kepler
that's-
is not a girl. Kepler is a boy. His class.
His class.
His class.
His class.
For boy.
class is
That's a buffet. Listen, I am on my way to the cafe, to the
Restaurant now, maybe.
chien jambé now.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm on my way to the Shijambe now.
Are you free?
Okay.
Are you free?
Yeah. En bas de là. Shijambe en bas de là. Pied na ouais. Pied na ouais. Parce que bon petit gars, c'est le barre tout fait sous et puis pied et pied na et quoi vous qui est. You will ça en bas de là. En bas de là. Tout ce que Mas manger au
Voilà, let's go.
Hey, do you already eat shinjambe?
Do you already eat chien jambé?
Est-ce que tu manges des shinjambe?
No.
No, I don't. Okay, continue. Oh, okay. Good. Sure. Let's go up to Sharon. Let's go parce que dans ce genre de vidéo.
Sure, it's good.
Oh, pourquoi même ce genre de avec? Ah, et vous dites sure, let's go. No, thank you. Thank you, I don't mean. Good.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Okay, great. I used to eat gingembre when I was not Adventist. Okay, when I was not Adventist, I used to eat gingembre. Me.
Are you okay?
Yeah. When I was not Adventist before. Okay, before being Adventist, okay, I used to eat gingembre. Okay.
You can use gingembre.
Yeah, you can eat gingembre. Gingembre, sometimes. Do you not, they don't respect the rules. They don't respect the rules. You don't respect the language. Okay, but they're not about.
It's cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap.
It's very cheap.
Very cheap. The gingembre are very cheap. But if you go to the restaurants are expensive. Okay? You can buy a meal. You can buy a meal. You know what meal means? Yeah. You can buy a meal for 30 Asian dollars. Okay? For 30 Asian dollars. 30 Asian dollars. Okay? 30 Asian dollars at gingembre. Okay? At gingembre, but in a restaurant, yeah, like 70.
No.
Really? Alright.
So,
Okay, 150 or 150 Asian dollars.
so very sensitive.
Yeah, 150 Asian dollars. That if you don't have money, if you don't have a lot of money, if you are a poor person, if you are a bourretier, if you understand, if you are, I'm not talking about bourretier. So if you don't have a lot of money, okay, you go to gingembre.
For the day. You can-
Yeah. You go to gingembre. You are not going to a restaurant. Sometimes the gingembre is feel good than a Western meal. Okay? Sometimes a gingembre meal feel better, okay, taste better than a restaurant one. Parfois, yon gingembre plus goût que on mange restaurant. Yeah. That is some restaurants. Not all restaurants, some restaurants.
Parce que c'est fresh food.
Yeah.
Le gingembre, c'est fresh food.
Yeah, you that's fast food too.
Restaurant, fast and
Yeah.
fresh.
Yeah.
At the restaurant, you can eat something
Yesterday food?
yesterday.
Yesterday food.
Yesterday.
Yeah. Yes, before yesterday food. Before yesterday food at a restaurant. Yeah. I have a little joke like this. You want to like because I will raconter moi. Il y en a qui m'ont demandé un bonhomme dans le restaurant. Et puis il dit faut titan. Si ta. Et puis après il regarde le regarde dans fenêtre. Il on nèg pour passer le gym dans cette là. Ça dit pas de banane là. Là c'est acheter But at the exchange of it, you find what you want.
On est bon, il nous reste un peu de temps. Donc, puis, il reste un peu de temps pour votre passeport. Donc, puis, mon montée là, et maintenant, je dis, ça va, je vais rendez-vous pour vacciner, et puis, faites tout d'ailleurs, mettre pour mon discipline, pour nous tenir ici, maintenant, je voulais voir avec
Okay.
and we sauté de là, pop, pop, pop. Et puis, on boule le regain. Et le sauté de là, on a senti qu'on conquis, on a pour occasion de gâter. Oui.
Okay.
Avant, mon Dieu, moi, je mange toutes ces choses.
Yesterday, before yesterday.
Qui peut manger. Pardon, il ne peut pas manger. Et nous, tous les mandés pour eux. Parce que par exemple, on dit que tellement on a mangé poisson dans le reste, on va le faire dans les poissons jamais. Pas manger poisson. Depuis que je dois ensemble. Parce que pour là, pas bon, même. Depuis que j'ai fait depuis combien de jours, on a eu la donne dans le chaud. Pouf! Et puis il est bien belle sur mon balance là, et puis il pas bon. Il pas bon senti.
Yeah. Alright, so you do understand all the phrases. You understand all the sentences. You understand? Do you understand all? Do you all understand?
The sentences?
No.
Yes.
You do?
About this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's get to the grammar focus.
Are you free?
Sure, let's go.
It's grammar focus.
Page 5, Exercise 8, Grammar Focus. Yes, no questions and short answers with B.
Are you free?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Okay, you repeat?
Are you free?
Uh-huh.
Yes, I am. No, I am not. I'm not.
Is David from Mexico?
Is David from Mexico?
You repeat it now.
Is that big?
Is
David
David?
from
Is David
Mexico?
from Mexico?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not.
No, he's not.
No, he isn't.
No, he isn't.
Is Beth's class in the morning?
Is Beth's class in the morning?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Are you and Beth in the same class?
You and Beth in the same class?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we
No,
are.
we're not.
No, we are not.
No, we aren't.
No, we aren't.
Are your classes interesting?
Are your classes interesting?
Interesting.
Interesting?
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
No, they are not.
No, they aren't.
No, they aren't. Are your classes interesting?
Are your classes interesting?
Are your classes interesting? Yes, they are. No, they are not. No, they aren't.
Okay, yeah. C'est soit dit no they are not, toujours comme négatif, vous dites no they aren't. Ça va dépendre de votre vrai ou fait contraction.
Page 6, Exercise 10, Listening.
We need to.
What's your last name?
We need to complete, right? We need to complete this conversation partner.
Yes.
You complete it.
Yes.
Huh? Is Miss
Is
Gray
Miss Gray?
this?
Is Miss Gray?
This.
Miss is Miss Gray from the United States?
United States. Uh-huh.
Yes, she is.
Uh-huh.
She is from Chicago.
This is from Chicago. Mm-hmm.
Is your English class at 10 o'clock?
Uh-huh.
No, it is not.
Uh-huh.
It's at 11 o'clock.
Okay, good. Number 3.
Are you and Monique going to do that conference?
Okay.
Yes, we are. We are from Paris. Paris or Paris?
Paris.
Paris.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are Mr. and Mrs.
Page 6,
Mm-hmm.
Tavares American?
Mm-hmm. Mr. and Mrs. Tavares American or American?
No.
American
American?
or
American? You know again? I know. You good? American.
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 I'm American.
I'm American.
Yeah.
No, they aren't.
Mm-hmm.
They are Brazilian.
They are Brazilian.
Brazilian.
Yeah. Good. Answer this. Okay. Let's talk about that. Nous qui c'est ça, nous parlons pour nous apporter information. That is a practice.
Ça complète la conversation.
Et non partie A. Non partie A.
Monsieur, ça veut dire non pas.
Ou ka utiliser
C'est que mon
monotone.
Ah non, non.
Monotone.
Is Mrs. Charlotte from the United States?
Non, you want to do that? Answer. Est-ce que madame
Charlotte sont aux États-Unis? On dit oui, ils sont
est-ce que c'est Willy Zoti? Est-ce que c'est États-Unis Zoti? No, she is not.
No, she is not.
She's from Gomorrah. She's from Gomorrah. Yeah. She's from Gomorrah.
Is your Spanish class at 8 o'clock? No, it is not. It is at 11. 11:30. Are you and Nick from Live? Yes.
Why another? Are you in Monique from Blind? It's still not like Monique.
Après, on va changer le mot seulement. Changer le mot, on va changer le son.
Yes, we are. We are from? You are from city? Okay. Continue. Yeah.
Mr. and Mrs. Patrick. American? No. No. They are Asian.
We are Asian. Well done. Wait. Now I'm going to practice with you both. Both. B-O-T-H. Both. Voodoo. Legend. These are both similar. Is Mrs. Patrick from Marshall Desalegn?
Yes, she is. She is from Miel.
Yeah. Localité de Marshall Desalegn. Good, very good. Very good answer. You are very intelligent. Well done. Okay. Is your English class at Petit Chaperon Rouge with teacher Juvena at 12 o'clock? Do you understand? Yes, it is your English class, okay, at Petit Chaperon Rouge with teacher Juvena at 11 o'clock?
No.
No, it is not.
It is
I didn't think I'm gonna say. Round two. Round two. What's up, you these? Round. Oh wow. Yeah.
Around 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Is Patrick from Marshall Desa? Okay, good. Okay, we finish. No, let's go
Three,
to
three.
3. Are you in Dudna from Ghana?
Yes, we are. We are from Basin Maya.
Basemanya. Very good. Okay, the fourth one is Dudna. Dudna. Okay, Dudna. This question is for you. Here. Okay, or Mr. Daniel, or Mr. and Mrs. Daniel, or Daniel, okay, American,
No, Spanish.
Spanish,
Dominican.
no, Asian, well done. Answer this question if you answered no, okay, for B, part B, another number to B.
Answer this question.
Question, if you
answer no,
give the correct information, then ask your partner.
partner the question.
Ok. Nous commençons là. Le point question ça. Si vous ne répondez pas non, eh bien, bah, l'information qui est correcte là. Et puis, posez pas la question ça. Are you from the United States?
Are you from the United States, Linda?
Okay, bye. I'm from Haiti. Good.
Is your teacher from Canada?
Mm-hmm.
Is your teacher from Canada?
No. My teacher from Haiti.
Yeah.
80.
80.
80. Is your English class in the morning? Yes.
No.
No. It's not.
Morning.
No. It's the morning.
No.
Oh, morning.
Yeah.
No. My English class is in the afternoon.
Okay, good.
Are you and your best friend the same age?
Yeah, very good.
No. You're not see.
Okay. Analina, we're going to know.
No.
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 We aren't. We are not.
We.
We are. No, we are not.
No, we are not. I am. Say that.
Yes, I am 5, and my best friend
Is
30.
good. Very good. Group work. What 5 questions about your classmate, then ask and answer the question. Écris 5 questions à propos de camarade de classe, et puis posez les questions.
Maybe second is not.
C'est ça qui passe là. You evaluate.
Ese que es ese nombre, ¿es el hijo?
No, vamos a poner on là, tout pose lieu.
¿Es el hijo?
Tu poses le cas de oui. Parce qu'on dit les épices. Non, on est 5 questions. There you go.
No.
finish? Okay, let's you hear the sounds. I'm giving it this one, okay? So you have to put another please.
So, David, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico,
Really? What city?
Mexico City.
Wow. What's it like there?
Well, it's a big city and very busy, but I like it a lot.
Page 3, Exercise 4, Pronunciation. Linked sounds. Listen and practice. Notice how final consonant sounds are often linked to the vowels that follow them.
I'm a new club member. Sun Hee is over there. My name is Elizabeth Silva.
Page 3, Exercise 5, Grammar Focus. Statements with be, possessive adjectives. Statements with be.
I'm from Mexico. You're from Brazil. He's from Japan. She's a new club member. It's an exciting city. We're in the same class. They're my classmates.
Contractions of be.
I'm equals I am. You're equals you are. He's equals he is. She's equals she is. It's equals it is. We're equals we are. They're equals they are.
Possessive adjectives.
My. Your. His. Her. Its. Our. Their.
Finish.
Page 4, Exercise 5, Grammar Focus. WH questions with be.
Where's your friend?
He's in class.
Okay, read your questions.
Are Wowo and Pedro from Los Angeles? No, they are not.
Okay.
Is your grandpa from Mexico? No, he's not.
But you say where they from? Give the answer, give the good information, or give the good answer. If you say no,
No,
you give the
he's
information.
not.
Yes.
He's from West. Is your basketball practice in the morning?
Okay.
No, my basketball practice is in the afternoon.
Okay.
Are you and your sister the same age?
Age.
No. I'm all 20 and my sister and 10.
Okay.
Finish?
Good.
Exactly.
Fine. Good enough. That's good. So you have 5 questions.
You go and say.
Speak up. A little.
Are you
Uh-huh.
and Celia from Canada?
Uh-huh.
No, they are from Haiti.
Okay.
From the 8 or from
From 80.
Middle 8.
For me.
Lying.
The class of Peter in the morning.
No. Is Peter's class?
Is
Is Peter's class?
Is
Peter's class? Say cabucisi. Okay? Possessive case. Is Peter's class? Is Peter's class in the morning? Is Peter's class in the morning? Okay. Is Peter's class in the morning?
No.
Mm-hmm. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. No, it is not. No. No. The A. What's the number? No, it is not. Okay. It is. It is in the afternoon. Okay. It is in the afternoon. Parfois, je commence par devoir et devoir. Quand je commence par voir ça quand il y a nous souvent c'est the au lieu de the. Okay? It's in the afternoon. Okay? The afternoon. It's in the afternoon. Good. Finish? Listen. What is it? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We study?
Are you for
Vocabulary?
free?
Yes, I am. No. No, he isn't.
Okay, we'll go to the next.
Are you and Beth in this
Not of
They
us
are.
already like
Page 6.
6. Yeah. Listening. What's your last name again? Okay, exercise 10. Exercise 10. 10. Exercise.
What's your last name?
Yeah, listening. What's your last name again? Mm-hmm.
Listen to the
Exercise 10. Listening. What's your last name again? Listen to the conversations. Complete the information about each person.
Okay, la conversation ça va être compliquée à propos de chacun. What's your last name again? Ici, actuellement, et tu peux essayer d'entendre. Entendre la conversation.
1.
Chris, this is my friend Lucy.
Chris.
Chris, this is my friend Lucy.
Good. Chris, voici mon ami.
Chris, this is my friend Lucy.
We're the same.
Yeah, now I say, Juvena, this is my.
This is my friend.
Good now. Another one. Ok, imaginez son lot nous pour croiser et son lot nous pour présenter. Non, imaginez son lot nous pour croiser et son lot nous pour présenter.
Sarah, this is my friend.
Good.
Patricia, this is my friend Yannick.
Good.
Same English class.
Hi, Lucy. Information about each person. 1.
Chris, this is my friend Lucy. We're in the same English class.
What? What does it say? We are in the same English class. We are in the same English class.
We and the same
Yeah,
English class.
Where?
Where? You know who we are?
On dit actually we are. We're in the same English class. Nous sommes dans la même classe d'anglais. Nous sommes dans la même classe d'anglais. Okay? Okay? You can say me and Mrs. Daniel or in the same English class. Moi et Madame Daniel sommes dans la même classe. Okay.
Hi, Lucy. I'm Christopher Olson.
Hi, Lucy. I'm Christopher. Allison.
Christopher.
Yeah, Christopher Allison.
Christopher.
Christopher.
How do you
And Christopher Allison.
I am Christopher Allison.
Yeah, Christopher Allison.
Christopher.
Yeah.
Christopher Allison.
Il va corriger le poulet? Il va corriger? Il va corriger?
Allison.
Yeah, Christopher Allison. Allison.
But everyone calls me Chris.
But everyone calls me Chris. Mais tout le monde le moins. Yeah. Donna.
Everyone calls me.
I am, okay? Donna. I am Jonathan Javana. But everyone calls me Dydy. Okay? Est-ce que vous pouvez présenter tout comme ça, ce matin?
No, my name is Celia Daniel. Everyone calls me Silla.
Okay.
And
Vous
you?
pouvez full nom et puis vous dites si je suis non comment le dire. Well, speak up. California. My name is. Everyone calls me. Everyone.
My name is Leslie.
Everyone calls me. C'est façon by surnom.
Surnom.
Yeah. My name is. Everyone calls me. Didna. Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
Nice to meet you, Kras.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet
What's your last name again?
What's your last name again? Kiss me out your car.
What's your last name again?
What's your last name again?
What's your last name again?
Didn't have a million. What's your last name again?
What's your last name again?
Drop the phone.
Poison.
Okay, you. Okay. What's your last name again?
John Baptist.
Yeah, it's. Well, we vote for everyone Baptist. It's.
John Baptist.
Yeah, it's John Baptist.
It's
John Baptist. Baptist.
John Baptist.
John Baptist.
John
Baptist.
Baptist.
Donna, what's your last name again? Yeah, okay, yeah.
It's Olsen. Olsen.
Olsen. Awesome.
And where are you from, Chris?
And where are you from, Kras?
I'm from here, the United States.
I'm from. Is it that? I'm from.
And from
I'm from here. I'm from here.
I'm from here.
Here. The United States.
The United States.
Here. Snipila.
I'm from here.
Le municiamie. Le municiamie. États-Unis. Le municiamie. Eu lhe disse agora, le municiamie.
I'm good.
Originally from Los Angeles.
Originally from Los Angeles. Originally. Nous vamos ça déjà. Originally. Je ne t'ai pas dit encore natif natal. C'est moi c'est mon États-Unis, mais moi fait Los Angeles, bien moi c'est mon Los Angeles natif natal. C'est haïtien mais même c'est bon natif natal. I'm Asian, but I'm from Ghana originally. Okay? I'm Asian, but I'm from Gomorrah originally. I'm Asian, but I'm from Desalines originally. I'm Asian, but I'm from Port originally. I'm Asian, but I'm from Grand Savan originally. I'm Asian, but I'm from Tout-de-Fait originally. I'm Asian, but I'm from Cornillon-Gamboa originally. Originally. I'm Asian, but I'm from Bogoto originally.
Wow! How do you like Los Angeles?
Wow! How do you like Los Angeles? ¿Cómo es Los Angeles?
Oh, I love it. It's my favorite city.
This is my favorite.
Yeah.
I still have a different.
2.
Okay, Miss Sanchez, let me just check this information. Is your first name spelled I-S-A-B-E-L?
No.
Ok, la check information. La regardez est-ce qu'il était bien écrit dedans. Let me check this information. Okay. Is your first name spelled? Est-ce que le nom est appelé comme ça? Okay. Is your first name spelled? Okay. Is your first name? Okay. First name spelled. Spelled. Okay, ça c'est from passive. Is your first name spelled? Okay.
Oh, it's not. My first name is Isabella. It's spelled I-S-A-B-E-L-A.
Okay, thanks. And you're from Argentina, right?
No, I'm not from Argentina. I'm from Mexico.
Oh, sorry.
So you're from Argentina, right? So vous sorti en Argentine pas vrai? No, I'm not from Argentina. I'm from Mexico. Mais actually, I'm from Mexico. Actually, when you say actually, c'est pas actuellement non. Il signifie dépendamment de ce qu'on pense dépendamment de ce qu'on dit moi-même mais ça dit. Actually, okay. Par exemple, on dit ça. Are you from Beaumont? Actually, I'm from Grimes. Okay. Good.
Mexico. But you are studying English.
Actually, I'm not. I'm a business student.
The business. Okay, got it.
Got it. Go for it.
Excuse me, are you Hyun Kim?
Yes, I am.
Is your brother Min Ho Kim?
Yes, he is.
Tell me, is Min Ho still here at the university?
No, he's not.
Faut qu'attendre langage ça autour ça c'est monde qui pas natif, qui parle des speaker, monde qui sorti dans Asian yo, monde qui sorti dans Asie yo, asiatique yo comme ça on parle. OK? Faut qu'attendre style son anglais ça. Yeah. Vous avez déjà parlé différemment de deux mondes avant de parler d'anglais. Ouais, ça là c'est ton accent mexicain avec un accent américain.
Still here at the university?
No, he's not. He's at home in South Korea.
In South Korea. In South Korea.
He's in South Korea? Is he in school there?
Yeah, he's at Seoul University this semester.
He's in school there? Est-ce qu'il est pour là-bas? Yes, he's at Seoul University this semester. Good. Very good. How was the class today? Comment passe la télé?
Good, interesting.
Yeah, good. Interesting. Interesting, I see. Interesting. Okay. How was the class? How was the class? How was the class today? It was interesting. Okay, goodbye. See you next time.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. Tomorrow, maybe next week.
Next week.
Next week. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching us. Thank you all. Thank you all for being in our class today. It was a great class. It was a big class. It was a class for level 1. Now we give you a appointment to another time. Good. Bye bye. Take care and peace. Don't forget to share, comment, and can I say that? I mean, subscribe to my page.
Where do you